Did you notice that the current sentiment score for the world has spiked to plus 0.14, with momentum at plus 0.30? This isn't just noise. It marks a significant shift compared to our historical baseline. You're looking at a heightened optimism not seen recently, driven by 15 semantic clusters that capture diverse global perspectives. What does our API bring you? It returns nuanced sentiment analysis, including real-time scores and detailed sentiment clusters, enabling you to build more informed applications. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms, integrating sentiment shifts into your decision-making process. This could give you the edge you've been looking for. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn insights into action.